I'm working on this VW Campmobile, 1978 model, and it's having some issues with reverse. So this coupler here, I'm going to work on it. It looks like it's a little bit loose. Going to replace this and see if we can get this thing fixed. So just trying to wrench on a little bit here, loosen up the bolts so we can get this thing off and replace it with another one. Let's get this sucker fixed, see if this works. Okay, so we loosen this up. Pull this out here. Loosen this one as well, has been loosened up. Pulling this one out. Okay. Now, let's take it out. So, I had to work this piece right here back and forth to get it to come off of up here. If you look right there to get it to come out of there, I had to work it back and forth. Push it, push it, push it till it came off. I took all the screws out and everything that hold it in place, but then it was in there pretty good. It's been in there a while. So I just kept pushing it a little bit further out, and then finally it popped out. So now I'm going to work on the other side. If you look at the other side, you can see right there. That's next. Here we go. Well, I got the new coupler on. What I did was I had to move this bar forward. That bar right there. I had to move it forward. And how I did that is I put it in reverse, and that pulled it forward. Then I was able to take this old one, this old coupler piece off, put the new one on, slide it right on. I had to grease that up over there. It's on though, the coupler's on. And then these little bushings here, they'll go into the side. They slide right into the side here on each side. And then we have this right here that slides through those bushings, through the coupler and everything, and then a screw goes into the side of that. You tighten all that stuff down, presto, hopefully it will fix the trick. Here we go. Well, there you have it. You can see now the coupler here. You can see it's installed. Just like I said, I just slid this right through once I pushed these bushings in on each side. Slid this right through, just screwed right in place. And it's ready to go. So now we can go in and get in this sucker and test it and see if the gears work and how it does. But it's much more solid. Look at that. It's very firm. There's no play in there. So that's how you do it. So hey, please subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos coming soon on restoration and techniques and decoding. Look forward to seeing you next time.